What is good, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in. This is not your average sneakerhead, Tony Ramsey. Today we got a special little unbagging here. Picked up both these pairs of shoes today, March 30th. They both dropped today. I still haven't seen what's inside the bags yet. Want to bring that to you guys. We share the experience here together. If you haven't yet, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Trying to reach 100 subscribers by the summertime. As I mentioned before, we're almost there. So any likes or comments help the channel grow. So let me know what you guys think about the videos and also about these this pickup here. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and get into these bags. So we're going to put this one over here to the side. The first bag here we got is from Finish Line. As I mentioned, today is March 30th, and both of these shoes did drop today. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Got my receipt. I'll go ahead and put that inside the box after I get everything opened up. Let's put that bag to the side. As you guys can see, this is a black Jordan box with the Tinker Hatfield writing on the top. And if you haven't guessed by now, this is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Tinker Hatfield SP. Official colorway is white, university red. I picked these up in an 8.5. That is my true size. I haven't seen what these look like yet, so can't wait to get inside this box and see what these Tinker 3s look like. So once you open the box up, you do have your elephant print special paper right there. Go ahead and slide it over to the side. And here are the shoes. The left one. Get the right one out of the box here as well. Once you get inside the box too, you do get the shoes. These are the 3s in that Air Max 1 colorway with the interchangeable swooshes. Love this colorway of these 3s. I'm very happy to have these. You also do have the swooshes right here in the bag. You have a gray swoosh, a red swoosh, an elephant print swoosh, and a 3M swoosh. We'll go ahead and get these on the shoes. Show you guys a look here in a second, but let's look at the shoes first. Alright, here it is, the Air Jordan 3 Tinker in that red and white Air Max 1 colorway. I'll do a full review here in the following videos. Want to give you guys a quick look at what's inside the box and the shoe. So that is the shoe in that colorway. It also has that Nike Air hang tag right there on the side. Nike Air on the back. Pretty dope and classic right there. Jumpman on the tongue. They come with the white swoosh already on the shoe. We'll go ahead and swap that out here and show you some of these other colors. There's the shoe with the red swoosh, which might be my favorite. I'll get you guys a full review of the shoe with the different colors and some of the materials, stuff like that, break down the shoe in a further video. But that is the first look at the Air Jordan 3 Tinker Hatfield and the Air Max 1 colorway. Let's go and get these to the side here and look at the second shoe. Alright, I picked this one up from my local Foot Locker. It's a little bit weird on my area. I live in Cincinnati, and Foot Locker did get both the 3s and the Jordan 1s, whereas my local Finish Line only got the Tinker 3s. I went to Finish Line to get the Tinker 3s because I did have that $20 off reward there, but I didn't have any rewards at Foot Locker, so I just picked up the 1s from there because they were cheaper, so I figured I'll just save the 20 bucks on the more expensive shoes. You do have your classic Air Jordan 1 box there, nothing out of the ordinary. Black box, red Nike writing, and the official colorway of this shoe is Sail, Black, and Phantom. This is an Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Retail price was $160. I got these in an 8.5 as well, as I do plan to keep these. Let's go ahead and dive into the box. Typical Jordan 1 paper there. Once you get inside the box, I haven't seen these yet either. I was waiting until I got this all on camera so we can look at the shoe together. So there you have it. Air Jordan 1 in that Phantom colorway. This is a pretty dope shoe as well. And again, I'll do a full review of these in a later video. But here is the first look at that Air Jordan 1 in the Phantom colorway. You can see that there. Some pretty cool details on the shoe, and actually the colorway of this, I like this a lot. This is a really nice shoe for summer, but we'll get more to that detail there in a second. So there is the quick unboxing of today's pickups. I also was able to get those Yeezy 350 V2 in the clay colorway. I got those from Yeezy Supply, so those won't be here for about another week or so, but once those do come in, I'll get you guys a full review of those as well. But let me know down in the comments if you guys picked either of these pairs of shoes up or the new Yeezys up. I want to know what you guys' opinion of these shoes are. We'll be doing full reviews of both these shoes in the days to come, so keep on the lookout for that. If you guys liked the video, again, please leave me a thumbs up. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, let me know If you passed on these, the reasons why. Thank you guys for tuning in. This has been Not Your Average Sneakerhead, Tony Ramsey, and I'll check you guys out later. Peace.